Morning everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 introducing you to our stunning new into stock 2022 Hyundai i30 N. It's a really good spec with just one owner and full service history. It has been very well looked after. It's got a full Maxton body kit. Looks super smart. These little hot hatches are so popular for us when they're 1 or 2 years old, super low mileage like this one. I think this one is less than 13,000 miles. It's, you know, the 2 litre with 350 brake horsepower. They are little pocket rockets, very popular and always go very quickly. It's finished in phantom black, very popular colour. You can see there the Maxton kit there. You've got the satin grey alloy wheels with the red brake calipers. Full black mirrors, privacy glass. This car has been really well looked after. It's so nice when we get one in that needs no prep and it's ready to go to its next owner. That's the exterior. See there's a spoiler on the back. And then your Maxton Design kit there. Again, this car, I can never say it's immaculate because they're never immaculate. It could do with a machine polish and some light scratches, but other than that, it is great and such a bargain. You get a lot of car for your money, a lot of power for size, definitely. Let me show you the interior. It's full Alcantara inside, which is so nice. I love full Alcantara. And you've got these leather bits at the side as well. But the actual seat itself is full Alcantara. Electric memory seats. You can see there they're fully electric with lumbar support. You've got your carpet mats. And you can see there the mileage, 12,870. So it's super low mileage as well. Turn it on for you. Bear with. Sounds lovely. You've got heated seat buttons on both sides. You've got your heated steering wheel, essential. Reverse cam with parking lines, climate control, and performance badges. It's just really stunning, and it's got like light blue stitching and light blue inserts, as you can see. The seats in the back are all in really nice condition. All your usual apps, Bluetooth, phone, etc. It's got the active variable exhaust system, which you can probably hear. Got some cup holders down here, a bit more storage down there. Your different driving modes, of course, can be flicked onto with the steering wheel, as well as race mode. You've got lane assist. It won't work because I've got the door open. A second. Just take it around the outside of the car again so you can hear it while it's on. It does sound really nice. It's not too in your face either, it's just enough noise in my opinion. Any more it'd be too much, any less it's not worth it. So it's got just the right exhaust sound. Beautiful glossy black. We'd always recommend a machine polish and ceramic coating. We do on most of the cars here, as you can see that Porsche I think has had one. It gives it a new lease of life, makes it all glossy and protects it for 3 years, and we use Geon quartz ceramic. And the guys here who are fully trained to use it, it takes them 2 days to perfect one car. So yeah, we do offer PCP and HP as well. If you would like a finance quote, we have quotes from 9.9% APR. So do get in touch if you have any more questions or you'd like a finance quote or to come and have a test drive and a look round. We always have plenty of lovely stock in. But these i30Ns, they go so fast. As soon as they come in, the right colour combination, great spec, Maxton kit, low mileage, one owner, they go very quickly. So do get in touch if you have any more questions at all. And we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.